And a good Tuesday morning to you, weather non-meteorologist Devin Hatter with a check of your forecast here, brought to you as always by On Target. It is a chilly morning out there yet again. Temperatures upper 40s to low 50s out there this morning. Perhaps some mid-50s the further east that you go, but some of those sheltered valley locations dropping into the upper 40s yet again. The warm spot, 55 over in Scottsville this morning, 54 on the Warren-Barron County line, 50 degrees at Ephraim White Park on the north side of Bowling Green, same thing down in Franklin, 49 at the WKU Farm, and same thing in Russellville. Morgantown this morning checking in at 47 degrees. Chilly weather out there this morning. You can thank that dry air that we have in place, the clear skies that brought us nothing but beautiful weather as we went through the rest of as we went through yesterday, the rest of tonight or last night, and into this morning. And we're going to be dealing with that dry air continuing as we head through the next few days. It's good and bad in the sense that, well, it's good that we're able to see such nice weather out there, but we are in need of some rain. We talked about the drought monitor yesterday with those numbers, those moderate drought figures in place, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. In fact, it may get worse. The next drought monitor is sampled on Tuesdays and then released Thursday mornings, so wouldn't shock me if we are the same or worse on the drought monitor as we head into this Thursday. D93 Sky Cam out there this morning, a beautiful shot of downtown Bowling Green. Street lights still on as the sun is rising this morning. And look at this beautiful shot from our WPBM TV31 camera out at Barren River Lake, northern parts of Allen County there. Beautiful weather out there this morning. Clear skies, just a few of those high clouds backlit by the rising sun. A gorgeous shot out there this morning. And that's something we will continue to see as we head through the remainder of the day. Dry skies, keeping it cool and calm as we head through the early parts of today, but as that high pressure continues to build in from the west, we'll continue to see those milder temperatures, or the warmer temperatures, I should say, start to work into the region. High resolution rapid refresh this morning showing those temperatures in the low 50s this morning, quickly into the upper 50s by 8 o'clock. By mid-morning, we're in the low 70s, and we will continue to see those temperatures on the rise as we head through the day. The HRR model here, the HRRR, however you want to say it, continues to show low to middle 80s out there today. I think it's pretty on target, no pun intended, in terms of the temperatures as we head through the early morning hours. We cool off quickly overnight. The air's still dry enough that we can get what we call a large diurnal range. It means we cool off quick at night once we lose the daytime heating. Upper 60s by 10 o'clock, and as we head through the overnight, notice though, yes, we do get cooler. We're into the upper 50s, but not nearly as cool as tonight, or last night, I should say. Tonight and tomorrow morning, waking up in the upper 50s to near 60, as opposed to the lower 50s to middle 50s out there this morning. Quickly into the 70s tomorrow, and I do think we'll make a run at the mid 80s, perhaps upper 80s, as we head into our day on Wednesday. Rainfall? I wouldn't count on it. Next few days, high resolution rapid refresh. This is the, that wasn't animating, but you could have fooled me, because as we head through the next few days, you see, maybe a sprinkle. We may be able to get a sprinkle out of there, but pattern just not conducive. It is too dry out there to get any rain to form, and that is going to continue, I think, as we head through the next couple of days. This is a look at the 500 millibar temperatures and the, we call it the geopotential height. Basically shows us where the atmosphere is going to be over the next few days. And you notice, yeah, we've been under the influence of that kind of troughiness out on the East Coast and the next trough working in from the west. But notice, as we head through the next few days, that ridge across the central and southern plains starts to work in our direction. That'll bring up warm air from the south and really start to boost those temperatures as we head towards the middle and end of the work week. So while meteorological summer started, or meteorological fall, I should say, started 9 days ago, astronomical fall is still a little bit away, and Mother Nature says, No, sir. It's still summer out there, and I think we're going to feel it as we head through the next few days. You see that ridge continuing to just kind of build and elongate into the region, so I do think we're on our way to more warm air as we head through the next few days. Rainfall? Well, that's the problem. Here's Wednesday. Here's Thursday now. The GFS has been consistent in showing the potential for some sprinkles into the day on Thursday, at least somewhere in the region, but the European isn't showing it. And let's see here. There's Sunday, there's Monday, maybe into Monday, maybe into Wednesday, next week, maybe into next weekend. That's not a lot for 342 hours. And again, that's 342 hours. So a dry pattern continues as we head through the remainder of the next few days. And usually what happens when it gets dry around here, it gets warm. In fact, the 6 to 10 day temperature probability outlook from the Climate Prediction Center shows a, 50 to 70% chance of seeing those temperatures warmer than normal over the next 6 to 10 days. That takes us through the middle of next week, taking us further out to the beginning of the week after. Again, about a 50 to 60% chance of seeing those temperatures warmer than normal. Now, average temperatures do start to dip this time of year because we are lowering the sun angle and we're getting some more of that fall-like air moving in. But either way, it's going to be warm the next few days, so I wouldn't put away the t-shirts and shorts just yet if you have any outdoor activities planned over the next couple of days. So looking at that next 6-day weather forecast, mid-80s by Tuesday, still in the mid to upper 50s overnight, but then things get rather toasty as we head through the next few days. Wednesday, 87, Thursday, 91, Friday, 91, Saturday, Sunday, 93. So we'll be on the warm side. And you notice those lows at night, though, for the most part, sticking in the upper 50s to low 60s. That's an indication that while the temperature's warming up, we're not getting that really muggy humidity back. It may be a touch muggy at night, but for the most part, we're going to be in a scenario in which we're not dealing with the hot and humid, just the hot. And it's not uncommon in these cases to actually see the heat index slightly lower than the air temperature because of the air being so dry. It can more efficiently evaporate the sweat coming out of your pores, and it can actually make it feel a little bit cooler than the air temperature. Something to watch, especially as we head out to Friday night football, as we head on to our Friday night. Something we'll be watching. That should just about do it for me this morning. Weather Not meteorologist Evan Hatter with a check of your Tuesday morning forecast, brought to you as always by On Target. Have a great day out there, everybody, and a great rest of your week as well. See you back here tomorrow morning. I'm going to leave you this morning with that shot from the Barron River Lake camera of a beautiful sunrise in progress.